Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we will learn how to deactivate Twitter account. First of all, open your Twitter application, tap on your profile on the top left corner and then scroll below. There you can see settings and support. Tap on it and then the drop down menu will open. On the drop down menu, again tap on settings and privacy. Now you can see your account on the first option. Tap on it. Now on the last option you can see deactivate your account. Tap on it and then it shows you some contents. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and then tap on deactivate. Now it asks you to confirm your password. Enter your password and then tap on deactivate. Then your account will be deactivated. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also, hit the like button if the video helped you and do subscribe for similar contents.